Welcome to Soul Affirmed. I will say an affirmation, and as you repeat these silently or out loud and regularly, your brain creates new neural pathways with intention. Take a breath and let's begin. Peace is my priority. I no longer engage in conversations that destabilize me. I am free from manipulation. I see enablers clearly and adjust my access accordingly. I am unavailable for gaslighting. I do not defend myself to flying monkeys. I no longer try to untangle word salad. I exit circular conversations. I let silence do the explaining. I do not argue with distorted narratives. I choose distance when accountability is missing. I do not chase fairness from biased messengers. If this resonated, give it a like, subscribe, and share the positivity. Soul Affirmed is here for you, anytime, every day.